Hello everybody, this is Tim from Maclin Ford, and in this video I'm showing this brand new 2022 Ford F-350. It's in the Platinum trim. It's powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel engine. It's got chrome capped spotlight mirrors, blind spot information system. It even has power deploy running boards. It's got a dually drive axle, trailer tow package, the fifth wheel hitch prep package, the tailgate step, got a 4x4 system. And then moving to the back seat, we do have the power window controls, as well as a leather interior with a bench seat here that will fit 3 people. Okay? Or you can pull down the center console for a couple of cup holders. Okay? Got some seat back storage, cup holders there. You've got a 12-volt outlet. The back seat is also heated, so those are the controls. Plus you have 2 USB ports and a 110-volt. Moving up to the driver's door, we have the power window controls, power mirror controls, and which do include fold and telescoping. And below that, you got your power locks along with the memory buttons for the driver's seat. Now just on the inside, you have your spotlight controls as well as your automatic headlight controls, which do include fog lights and your exterior rear dome light. And below that, you got your power tailgate release as well as your controls for your power adjustable pedals. Now taking a look at the driver's seat, you do have the platinum etching there. And it's fully. Moving to the driver's seat and taking a look at the steering wheel. On the right-hand side, you have your steering wheel mounted audio controls, your phone button, your sync voice activated system controls, as well as your cruise control buttons, and your dashboard menu. Now in your dashboard menu, you can cycle through the My View, trip, truck, towing, off-road, and settings. Now this F-350 is also equipped with a steering column mounted drive selector, or gear selector with select shift, as well as selectable drive modes. And right beside the steering column is your push button ignition. And then we've got the center display screen. So this radio here will accept sources from AM, FM, Sirius, as well as Bluetooth. That's where you'd add a new phone. You'll have a navigation system as well, so that way you don't get lost. Okay. You can set up your favorites. You got some vehicle apps there, as well as vehicle settings, which do include valet mode, 911 assist. This is also where you'll see the feed from your backup camera and your 360-degree camera. Now right above, you can see that this truck is equipped with a sound system from B&O for excellent sound quality. You've got a bunch of buttons up above the screen as well, including your camera button for the front camera, as well as your lane keep assist and your anti-skid off button and your hazard light button. And you got your physical controls here for your radio and your climate system, which do include heated and ventilated front seats. Okay, and then you got 12-volt outlet and a 110-volt outlet there as well. And then to the left of these controls, you have your 4x4 controls, as well as your trailer brake controller and your trailer backup assist. And right below, you've got a little cubby hole with 2 USB ports, as well as a wireless charge pad. And moving up, you've got a few auxiliary switches here. You've got a storage area for some sunglasses, as well as some controls here for your twin panel moonroof. Thanks for watching. For more information on this F-350, give us a call at 587-871-8293 and quote stock number 22F32831, maclinford.com, or in person, 135 Glendeer Circle Southeast. We'd love to see you. Take it for a test drive. Have a wonderful day.